how to transfer money to Charles Schwab account. I'm going to show you how you can easily transfer money to Charles Schwab account. You can initiate wire transfers online through your Charles Schwab account. Simply log in and follow the instructions to send international transfers in US dollars. For transfers in other currencies, consider the options below. First, collect the necessary details of the recipient's bank. Then dial 1-877-686-1937, which is for inside the US, or +1-415-667-8400, which is for outside the US, to speak with a customer service representative. They will assist you in providing the required information and initiating the transfer. Visit a Charles Schwab branch where a teller will guide you through the process. Make sure to have all the necessary information and inform the teller or cashier about the type of transfer you wish to make.